And now to end this meal, so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I live a life that's full, I travel each and every highway, and more, it's more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exemption. I planned each other curves, it's careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew